Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Yuzu build supports firmware flashing and that you have prod, keys, and title. Keys ready. Once confirmed, grab the official firmware. Zip from your switch backup and do not alter its contents. Next, place the firmware. Zip into Yuzu's load/firmware folder or the location Yuzu expects for system files. Make sure file names match Yuzu's parser conventions so Yuzu can detect them. If it doesn't appear, reopen Yuzu to trigger a rescan and prepare for extraction. Once done with placement, open Yuzu and navigate to Tools, then Install Files to NAND. You will see options to import the firmware. Zip or individual. NCA files, choose the zip for a full firmware import and select the correct target profile. The installer will verify signatures and write files to the emulated NAND, monitor the log pane for progress and confirmation messages. If Yuzu prompts to reboot the emulation, allow it. Do not close Yuzu or kill the process while files are writing, as that can corrupt the NAND. After installation, reboot the emulated console and open system settings to confirm the new firmware version. This ensures the install completed correctly. If the version mismatches or features fail, rerun install files to NAND and check that prod. Keys and title. Keys match the firmware. Mismatched keys cause verification failures. Make a full backup of your Yuzu NAND and keys once successful to avoid repeating the process. Quick troubleshooting tip. If errors persist, examine Yuzu's log for specific NCA or signature errors, and correct.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.